Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of Hip Hop Foundation. The second foundation is rock. So what are we going to do with this simple idea? Rocking, also known as up rocking, emerged in New York City as a form of street dance in the early 1970s, influencing breaking. So it is clear now that we have rocking from breaking. Rocking is a simple movement that we can show a sharp motion back and forward. You can do this simple movement with 10 different ways. I'm going to point you in the right direction. So stay with me till the end. You have 8 directions while you're dancing. You can change your body level while you're rocking. For example, you can change your body level by bending your knees, or you can change your body level by jumping. So there's many options that you can use while you're rocking to change your level. Timing is another important factor in freestyle. Another important thing that you need to consider is that when you're implementing a groove in hip-hop dance, you can use that groove full body. It offers vast opportunities to show your movement by using all of your body parts. make variations, yeah? We don't need to do rock exactly as what it is. It is essential for us as dancers to consider playing with a simple idea and develop that idea and concept in order to be professional. So we can use rock softly or aggressively. When we use rock softly, we just simply do this. And when we want to have a sharp movement, we just hit the beat. So rock the beat. You can use range when you're dancing. For example, you can use a small range of rocking. You can use big range of rocking. It makes your dance more dynamic and attractive. Pathways is another way that we can explore a concept. We can explore a concept in a path like a line, or a path like a circle, or like a triangle, whatever you want. Use different steps and hip-hop party dance basics to understand deeply what is the rock. You can implement rocking with those steps that haven't rocking. For example, if we are talking about pepper seed is a step without a rock. So you can use a simple rock with it to make variation. Boom, 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 boom. Ha, 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 ha. It is a time that you combine both foundations, the rock and the bounce, because both of them have different energies, so you can make your dance captivating while you're mixing these foundations. the last but not least is freestyle. Now it's time to forget about all you just have learned and focus on your freedom. You have to be free in the style, and maybe you can create something new. If you find something new, you can comment down below. I strongly recommend that you watch 2 other videos that I created about foundations, so you can master your basics and the fundamental movement that you need for hip-hop dance. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your time, your opinions, your support. I am really grateful to have you all on my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.